Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0069 signifies a problem with the barometric pressure sensor, commonly known as the BARO sensor, specifically in its circuit range or performance. This sensor is vital for the vehicle's control unit to determine air pressure in the manifold and ensure proper air-fuel mixture adjustments. The BARO sensor is typically located near the intake manifold, integrated with the PCM, or Powertrain Control Module. Its role is essential as it compares output values from the Manifold Absolute Pressure (MAP) sensor and the Turbocharger Boost sensor. When significant disparities arise between these readings during specific driving conditions, the PCM stores the DTC for further investigation. Therefore, understanding the DTC P0069 is crucial for effective vehicle diagnostics and repairs. The Barometric Pressure Sensor, BARO, plays a crucial role in monitoring atmospheric pressure and is essential for optimizing engine performance. The MAP sensor measures the pressure inside the intake manifold, while the Turbocharger Boost sensor assesses the boost pressure produced by the turbocharger. Both the MAP and turbocharger readings are compared against the BARO sensor output to ensure they operate within expected parameters. If the BARO sensor output deviates from these readings, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, interprets this as a malfunction in the circuit or performance, leading to the storage of DTC P0069. This failure can impact overall engine efficiency and performance, particularly in vehicles equipped with turbochargers. The BARO sensor is typically located in proximity to the intake manifold or may be directly integrated into the PCM itself, making access sometimes challenging during troubleshooting. Several factors can lead to the triggering of DTC P0069. A faulty BARO sensor is often the primary culprit, leading to incorrect readings that the PCM may misinterpret as a performance issue. Wiring and connector problems between the BARO sensor and the PCM can also result in signal loss or interference, making the system unable to function correctly. Another potential cause could be a defective Powertrain Control Module, PCM, itself, which may misread the inputs from the sensors. Additionally, environmental factors or external blockages near the sensor can affect its performance. Each of these causes needs to be methodically assessed during the troubleshooting process to ensure the underlying issue is correctly identified and resolved. The symptoms associated with DTC P0069 can vary, but commonly include poor engine performance, where the vehicle may exhibit a lack of power or responsiveness. Drivers may notice that the turbocharger isn't functioning optimally, leading to inconsistent acceleration and reduced overall efficiency. Another indication of this issue is the activation of the Malfunction Indicator Lamp, MIL, which serves as a warning for the driver that the vehicle's engine management system has detected a fault. Affected drivability may mean the vehicle struggles to maintain consistent speeds or experiences stalling. Being aware of these symptoms is essential for timely diagnostics and repairs, ensuring that vehicle performance remains stable and safe. To initiate the troubleshooting process for DTC P0069, first, start the engine and allow it to reach a proper operating temperature. Next, hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without load, which can be done while the vehicle is in park or neutral, and maintaining this RPM level is crucial as it allows the PCM time to properly assess sensor readings and determine any potential discrepancies. After holding the engine speed for this duration, let the engine idle for at least 5 seconds, allowing all systems to reset and clear transient faults. This initial step is critical for establishing a baseline for further diagnostic tests and ensures that the system can accurately evaluate if any malfunction persists. The second step in troubleshooting DTC P0069 includes performing a test drive under specific conditions. During this drive, ensure that the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, reflects an engine speed above 1,700 RPM, which is critical for the system to engage fully and for sensor readings to stabilize. Additionally, the relative throttle position, RELTP, sensor should also register above 42.2 degrees. This indicates that the throttle is sufficiently open to provide an accurate representation of engine load and performance under driving conditions. Driving the vehicle for at least 6 seconds under these parameters will help verify if the previously noted issues persist and allow the PCM to monitor BARO sensor output against MAP and turbocharger boost sensor outputs effectively. Upon completing all repairs or replacements related to DTC P0069, it is essential to verify the success of the maintenance procedures undertaken. Start by clearing the stored DTC from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, using the HDS tool. Once the codes are cleared, perform a thorough test drive while closely monitoring the vehicle's performance and response. It's critical to confirm that no malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, lights up during the drive, which would indicate successful repairs. This verification step is crucial, not only to ensure the malfunction has been rectified, but also to maintain vehicle reliability and optimal performance moving forward. Documenting that the DTC has been resolved is essential for future reference and customer peace of mind. Preventive maintenance is vital for ensuring that issues like DTC P0069 do not arise frequently. Regular checks of the BARO sensor, MAP sensor, and turbocharger boost sensor will help ensure accurate readings and performance. Inspect wiring and connector integrity periodically, as damaged or corroded connections can lead to premature failure or incorrect readings, which could trigger erroneous codes. Keeping the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, firmware and software updated is also essential, as manufacturers may release updates that help resolve known glitches or improve performance. Establishing a maintenance schedule that includes these checks can go a long way in reducing the likelihood of recurring error codes and preserving vehicle function over time. In summary, the troubleshooting of DTC P0069 for Honda CR-V 2023 and later models involves understanding the role of P components, such as the BARO sensor, MAP sensor, and turbocharger boost sensor. We outline detailed steps for diagnosing the issue, including engine testing and conditions required for effective assessment. Each troubleshooting step is necessary to pinpoint the malfunction accurately. Furthermore, the significance of preventive maintenance cannot be overstated. Regular checks can help avert future issues and maintain optimal vehicle performance. Being proactive rather than reactive often saves time, money, and enhances safety on the road. Understanding DTCs and their implications ensures that owners can keep their vehicles in peak condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.